What me do now?
You know what you do.
We do what?
You know what you do.
You're not following back?
What me block you up on my big page. Who you didn't talk over world dog?
No, man, I quote session, man, man. Oh, God, man. Tap them, man.
What you doing a quote session and talk about say me love man and me more think?
Me not say you more think, cause your best friend did that face did that say something about
You're too freaking lie. You is a look wicked. Remember me tell you that. You, Jayden.
And your quote session, and you know me.
And a quote session, you're too wicked and fucking evil. No,
Annie,
me
Annie,
and you
done. Annie,
why you
mean we done? Annie, wait, no, Annie. What you mean we done? A quote session mean a darling.
Jayden, 2026, me and you would have never crossed back path, and I will never call your name, and I promise that you is an evil wicked boy.
Annie,
Remember me tell you that.
Annie, you said it's already, I will turn back friend already. So no bother with it.
Have a good morning, Jay.
Where you go?
And big up yourself.
Let it out,
What you
let it
have?
out,
What
let
you
it out.
have? What you have?
Let it out, man. Let it out. Where you vex for?
Jayden, you hate me. You're not like a bone in a me. And you still bring me down on the internet no matter what.
If me bring her down, you know bring me down back.
What me I gonna do that for every day, sir? Every day you know one with the pan. Bring down every day, Jay.
Every day, darling. Every day.
So you want to live?
I some want to live with you peaceful and nice, and then we cause answer.
So that the type of life that you want?
Yes, that's something know say you love me for true.
Yo, listen to me, old hypocrite. What go on with the relationship? What go on with the brand new relationship?
And it go on nice, me I tell her, why? Nice.
Nah, like she look good. Me not lie to you.
You look very good. I she probably the prettiest girl on TikTok.
Don't do that. Just forever, thank you, baby. Don't do that. But she look good.
So who else did I take over that throne? I know you.
You're not easy, Jayden. Me look good and tan good. Don't do that.
Annie, me don't know why you keep on a lie to yourself, you know, but it's okay. It's okay to lie to yourself. Because let me tell you that, Annie. Everybody have confidence in anything what them doing, but me couldn't lie to myself. So Annie, you look good in a darling, but you don't look that good like how you said.
Jayden, let me tell you something. You see, self-confidence is one of the best. You hear me?
Yes, but you should not. But the Bible said, do not lie upon to yourself because your days will be numbered.
So Jayden, you cute?
Mid cute.
Who tell you that?
Annie, wait before I want to tell.
What?
Wait before I want to tell.
Rate it from 1 to 10. To be honest, you get a 7. My side, help me catch your speed. As a 7 you get.
So you're not there with me, Annie?
No?
How do me?
Who do that with you?
So how do me?
You chat too much.
Me chat too much. No, you ever after a relationship if
let me catch your speed. Let me catch your speed, guys. My side 3. My side. Help me catch your speed, chat.
Annie, so Anna single now?
Mom, me no know. You have to ask Anna that.
So can I after this, please?
No, the one of them afraid of you. Every one of them are run from you.
How want me do them now?
Because you always attract them and drag we down. Alright, be serious.
Yeah.
Be serious. To how much you hear the Ants family, you always try to be little way. And we talk serious start now. We are reason. You see me? You see you? You're one of the person, I tell you the truth, when I love on TikTok, when I'm excited for, when I look up to and you're young. But you know, you continue to try to put down with family. You get me? You try to make it look like say we're done, we're literate, we're not no sense. You get what I say? So why you keep on deal with them type of way there? First, you sell me out.
Literate, not
listen
literate.
To no man, you illiterate. Sell me out.
Illiterate, not literate.
Yeah, illiterate.
Yeah,
you sell me out. You push me out of the friendship for share. You see me? Brother, what wrong with you?
Me not push, me not, because I come to you and tell her, say, don't buy the car that you buy. You don't listen to me.
You come back again about the car. Me don't make a mistake about the car already.
That's a big mistake. That's a big mistake. Well, you could have your money. Pan you.
Chad, help me push up a score.
Oh, so
you're too disrespectful.
Oh,
you know, you never disrespect share them type of way there. Me never see I disrespect certain people them type of way, but I'm me alone. You this about me stink, my mouth stink, all of them
No,
some they
honey,
blow.
but I can't show them they really carry themselves some type of way and them go on some type of way. That's why.
So me carry myself some type of way?
Yeah, you can't really help it still, honey, but me have to just understand, you see.
What you mean by me can't help it? So
I
if
can't.
my mouth is stink, why you didn't yam from me? Why you didn't yam from me?
Yeah, go like you want water, make you rice.
Eh?
Yeah,
No,
go
but me
like.
not gonna yam from a person if their mouth stink.
But honey,
She
remember,
no better than me. She put on a false body. Me natural. When you
honey,
amongst me, if me did stink, why you never did tell me?
honey, because me never want hurt, me never see a stink. Honey, your mouth not stink.
So why you
Sometimes.
always tell me say why you always trouble me say my mouth stink?
I know me tell you say your mouth stink, darling. I'm
Jayden,
verse.
what do
I'm
you
verse.
when the boy go kiss me? Why the boy kiss me? You fuck around me. Why do you again when time me in the kitchen with my bestie? You fuck around me again, but my
But
mouth
honey,
stink like a shit.
but honey, I your best friend give her for a reaction, make you look like say that go on. So you see it. So I know me. Honey, me never watch the video. Watch the video. Honey, watch the video. Watch the video. I know me. A police come that way most thing. You see it. Everybody just run with it, darling.
Yeah, and you run with it too. Alright, Mr. Pussy Hole, everything good.
And you have to take trolling.
Guys, we want to win one game from him. Yeah, man, I want to look a wicked boy, but everything good, man.
And you have to take trolling. Me alone, me no good at pound up here. No, tell you, honey.
Come here,
I think you can win this, honey.
you can't tell me no, me can't. Jayden, hear me I say to you no, me like that one day for you. Me like that girl for you, alright? Me I left you with that. Treat her right, and make sure say thing work out. And make sure say you go on date and thing. Alright, yeah, stop hook up in the house alone. Nobody day in the house alone.
No, we go out on them thing then, honey. We go out on them thing then, you see. But money I run low right now, so me have to stick to what me know. To TikTok. Right now, money I run low and you see it, and no woman no want a broke man.
No, that's true. That's true. Chat, so everybody, double tap team. We are winning.
So chat, anytime when you see me start me live, money I run low, I want to look for money. You see it. So me don't know what no depend.
Guys, everybody, double tap team. One game winning Jayden this morning. Oh, Shay, have a secret. I wonder if Shay have a brush put up. Are you give Shay a brush put up?
No, and I brush one, I doctor man one, you see it. So me have to really deal with that good, you see it. Me don't want that shit out there. You see it.
Oh, me understand.
Yes.
Me understand. My side, double tap team.
Yes, darling. We don't want to chat to Anna. I swear, like we don't want to reason with Anna on a big man level.
No, you want trouble Anna. Anna in her mood. Anna in her mood.
No, me not trouble her.
My side, let me catch his speed team.
You carry her go Devon house yet. Batty man, me tell you something pussy. You give money if you bring her nowhere. So good boy. Chat, send the rose them. You know so me can't make Annie meet her.
Rose. Guys, each person, guys, drop a rose to me, baby. Drop a rose, guys. He said
yo, no send it buckle rose the pussy. Send the rose now. Chat, 38 wood rose. 38 rose. Rose. Yo, Mish, not tell me say you broke dog. Do. Chat, come on now, guys, we live in a ranking, bro. Come now. Chat, no, come on, guys. We want to shoot dog. We want to know.
your brain's gone there, so what hell you think about that?
No, I don't want to know, Annie. I swear to God, I don't want to know.
When Red Dog asks you about man, you say, honey. They say, man, honey.
And you know, sir, I promote you.
You promote me?
Yeah, because when I stop here, boy, we promote Annie. You know what I'm calling him?
Brother, see, you fuck around me. You fuck around me so freaking much to late night. Guys, everybody, Jamie, I catch his speed. Guys, everybody, guys, drop a rose.
That's the biggest song. Come on, guys. 23. Send her some. Yo, J Supreme. Yo, brother, how you say you go recharge and a shoot? Eh? You text me and say you go recharge. Pussy, you didn't recharge. Batty man. Love you, do. Jay, beg something. We are try to go out to my father. Cause I broke days now. Me I try more go eat something tonight. Come. RJ, thank you. Come, my team. Give me all I there. Sorry, thank you. Give me all lion there. Give me all lion there. Come, come, come. Send the lion. Send the lion. Come, 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 come. Use it, people. Use it, use it, use it. Come, no man. Come, no man. CC, come. Yes, CC, come, come. Uno come, uno come. Pretty rock. Thank you, darling. You look nice, see? Would I name you? Come, uno come, uno come. Where lion there? Come, come, come. Love that, love that, love that, love that, love that.
She not pay with it.
Boy, Annie, nothing I go on for you, darling. You just sell me out forward here, so.
I saw you feel. I saw you feel.
Annie,
Maybe
why you
your
sell me out?
face make me not get a gift.
Eh?
Who sell you out? Who sell you out?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm not going to send some money gun there, so.
My side, guys. Somebody drop a glove to me now, please.
Annie, which side that you have?
Jayden, just allow me to talk down, Gaza. Big up yourself.
Annie, when Laza come?
Guys, on the drop a gloves to me now. Drop a gloves, chat.
Annie, when Laza come number 10? Nine ranking.
I want to me on the ranking, Jayden, but I never number 10.
You see, yeah.
Yeah, I think at least I did number 10 me did there.
Annie,
Oh, you never see me on the ranking.
Annie, you saw your falter, you know? You lose focus.
What do you mean by?
You lose focus, darling. And you just need a man in your life you got to motivate and make you focus on them things. They see it.
Me hear you, number 9 me did on the ranking. Me alright, Jayden. Nobody sorry for me, because you don't want me on the ranking either.
No, I'm not sorry, but we need to link up like in a real way, you know? Yeah, man.
You know what we link up in a realist way. You keep on and run me.
Annie, we can't link up.
In realist way, Spa.
We can't link up in a realist way, man. I tell you, man, Annie.
Move your nasty ass and go fry yourself.
And you know what they done on Christmas sheet?
No, me alright. Me stay on for me all time pink one, right?
Bro.
Chad, help me push up his score. Make you moving dirty self. Me tell Jayden say, me come and cooking Christmas dinner. Jayden shame me. Jayden moving ras. Jayden 2026 me and a friend.
When laws of fuck?
So me I tell you, sir, from the last time me did with that the Monday, you're not here.
So from the last time that man there, you fuck?
No. Me not have no more relationship, no.
And you gotta come tell me say you know fuck.
Because you don't never want to believe me. You don't want to believe me. You say me money. You want a man who no give me.
Alright, Annie. Alright, say me believe you. Me would have to test it out to try first, so I know, so I can know. Because I know when woman not fucking on it.
Jayden, move your blood clot. You never did that with my daughter. Big nose, boy.
No,
guys,
you're not
25 rose Steve.
25. Annie, oh.
You don't never find out. Guys, everybody one rose.
Oh, so that's why you would do, that's why you play so hard, Annie, so if me never there with a daughter. So that, yeah man, me know man.
Chat, 25 rose, guys. Come in and listen to you. Guys, each person one rose. Queen, bless up yourself. Sweet 25 rose, chat.
She says sweet, Annie. She says sweet. I blush.
You know, not sweet, me. Move for yourself. Guys, each person one rose.
Yeah, glad,
come on my side, we not catch you.
I know, say, Annie, would take you serious. Honestly, that's sweet for my life. Would take you serious. You see it? Would bring you, would spend on you. Right now, your house could have probably big to if a time and your pum pum good, you just use me. I swear for my life.
Jayden, I know what you did for life. I talk about all my pum pum ugly.
Well, so my time when the pum pum them ugly, it good. So my time, you see it, but we don't know.
Jayden, gotta go strike you. Jayden, gotta go strike your little rascal. Remember me tell you that. If God not strike your pussy hole, you chat double time.
Guys, double, triple now, guys, triple now. Chat, what do we? Look, Clark. Shay, thank you. Chat, what do we? Yo, no stop spam my comment now, dog. Stop spam my bumbo clock comment. Huh?
My side, double tap team.
Sarah, big up chat. Give me no art me there. Give me no art me. Boy, Annie,
Everyone, we are top guys. Thank you so much.
sister, now make YouTube video, Annie.